Hey guys, today we got a ARE MX series top. It's the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. It's charcoal gray in color. It's in decent shape. It doesn't have too much damage on this one. Go up through here. We got a couple minor scratches right there. Another one right there. Got it top, and the top edge looks good all the way through there. Oh, they have a small little paint chip right there. Not a lot of damage on here. Paint looks good over here. There's minor chips here and there. There's a couple here on the edge. Got a couple chips like right in this little area. Oh, that was just dirt, I guess. No, that's not. This is all just dirt. Couple chips right there. Yep. Bottom edge is in good shape. Doesn't look like it's been set down on the edge of the fiberglass. Small little paint chip right there. A couple right there. It does have the half side sliders in the side. Front has a picture window. Top got a couple chip right there and a couple chips there. Some chips up here because of the leading edge. I catch some road debris. A couple there and a couple there. Some right there. Not too bad. Bottom edge looks good. No damage there. That does have the picture window in the front. Top and the top edge on this side's pretty good, except we got one small little scuff area right there. All the way down here looks really good. It actually doesn't have a whole lot of damage on it, but a little scratch right there. Bottom edge here looks good. Not seeing a lot of damage on the bottom edge at all. A small scratch right there. Looks good. Half side slider on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. Got a little bit of damage. The fiberglass right here on the corner by the bottom edge of the door. A little bit of a scuff mark right here too. Has a little bit of a mark right there as well. Somebody's taken some silicone and going around the door frame here and then around the third brake light. A little bit of a chip right there on the edge. And this side looks good. Pretty much all the way down until you get to the corner again. Right there. Same thing as the other side. A little bit of a scratch and damage on the fiberglass. T-handle opens up. Looks pretty good on the inside. The sun's right there, so doesn't look pretty clean inside here. Does have some holes in the screens. Definitely had things used in here and took in and out, so they've kind of tore the screens in some spots. The windows are sliding open. This one has some holes in here as well. There's the one there. There's a serial number. Was built specifically for a 16 Ford F-150 Super Cab with the 6.5 foot bed. 37 magnetic gray is the color on that. So that's 15 to 20. So there it is. Got a ARE MX series. It does say Fibrobec on it, but Fibrobec is just a rebranded ARE brand. Just they take an ARE mold and rebrand it with their brand on it. So it's an ARE MX series. It's a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 truck with a 6.5 foot bed. Below is and magnetic gray is the color on this. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. You can purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. Subscribe below to keep up to date on inventory coming in. If you're looking for something specific and you want to, see what we've got coming in, we typically upload right away. As soon as we get them in here, we get them online on our website and up on YouTube at the same time. So do that right away. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick this up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.